Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the battery on your Canon T7i camera. It's super simple. All you need is basically the new battery. Now maybe the batteries you have are not charging anymore or whatever, and you want to just replace the battery and get a fresh battery. I'll actually put a link in the description to where you can get a replacement battery for this camera. But anyways, all we need to do is flip the camera over, and as shown in this little image, we're going to press on the little tab on the bottom of the battery case, and that'll make the battery case pop open. And then once that happens, there's a little tab on the side of the battery that holds the battery in place. We just push that to the side, and when we push that to the side, the spring inside the case will automatically push the battery up. So once the battery gets pushed up, we can just go ahead and use our fingers and pull it the rest of the way out. And then we can just take our new battery and slide it back in the way that the old one was until that little battery locking thing clicks back and holds the battery in place. Then close the case and we're done.